Hi, this video shows a small solution when you debug some values in your Angular application or in your JavaScript application, or TypeScript application, when you try to debug something and you are in the browser, and I know that I have in here some values of an article, but I don't know what a value is, and so in Angular you always have to say you have to do in the subscribe. The best way to take a subscribe and then jump either here into a breakpoint, and inside the breakpoint it's also quite difficult sometimes to get the value, and for this we always go to console.log and then the value, and then in this case it's a local variable of my component, that is this.article. And when I'm there, when I jump now to my application, this is my application, it's an Angular application. When I jump there, it always happens that I see only article equals object, and I'm pretty sure that there's something inside, but I can't see it. So what may I do then? I jump here in the browser. When we go to string shift, and then we are here in our debug or developer view. Then we go to console, and inside the console we see here this line. That's the whenever we want to see something, it's the console.log. And then you see here on the right side here a link to your to the source. So this is a read dash article component TypeScript. Now when I jump in there, it's a shortcut to my file, and inside there you see now here we are under the sources tab, and then there's a big tree somewhere. It goes to a file, the current file which is loaded. Now this is my client JavaScript stuff, and inside there, where was it? When I jumped there, here, this line, then you see here it highlights the point. Now I'm able to set a breakpoint there. Now I see this. There are several breakpoints. It's console.log, so there are 2 breakpoints, and they are shown here now. Stuff. And now when I refresh it, and hover over this point, then I will see it. So this is now my article which is there, and now I have here this block. But how may I, when I have a look on my values which are on the output, here in the output, when I go on and say here shift debug, then and we go to the console, we see it's only the console.log can only write object. So what we do then is we go to the following way. We say something like this. I've written it down. We take the where is it? Solution is console.log and then a stringify. So this is what we need. So we say stringify around our block. So we say in here when we're in the code, I've already done it. So this is my code line. Now when I say this article and then I say json.stringify, then you will see that the values will come. So I say here Control S for save. Now I reload it. Now when I'm still there, I have again my article which is there. I go on with that point, and now I see this is there's a stringifying of the object which is inside. So this is the previous one, and now this is the new one. You find the solutions here on not on this side. You will find it at CodeDocu.com, and in here it's on this blog, and you find several other things about especially now in Angular, some difficulties when you have the observables.